welcome back to Mixit's World. So for today, I'm gonna share with you how to cook a very quick and easy but super yummy teriyaki salmon, the best in the world. So I will put in the description box below the list of all the ingredients. So now, let's start. So we have here our salmon. So we are just going to season this with pepper and salt. Next, we put garlic, ginger, we are also putting some soy sauce, mirin, also some sugar, so we also have here some potatoes. So we are just going to mash it. So we are just going to put some sugar, also some salt, also some butter, some milk. You can also use here, evaporated milk, and then mash. We are also going to put some pepper, let's taste it. Let's put some olive oil. Let's now put our salmon. Now let's put our sauce. Very easy, right? It's done. Just less than 5 minutes. So now, let's plate. So there you go guys, my very easy but super yummy teriyaki salmon. Perfect nito for Christmas, guys. Ako, super perfect nung luto. Super fresh.